Hey, it's Sam here. Welcome to this demo of DealCount. Now, as you can see in the bottom right of my screen here, I have a countdown timer. Now, scarcity is proven to increase sales, increase conversions on any sort of sales page or bonus page. The thing with DealCount is it allows you to be able to add live scarcity. This is a quick demo one I've just whipped up. I'm on the preview page here. You can see it's got one of my company's logos and it says 100 bonuses available, hurry, only 100 left. It's got a countdown timer as well, and it's available. You can click out of it anytime. Now, with this, as you make a sale, it'll count down and keep going down and down and down. Okay, so creating this is quite easy. This also has the option for you to be able to do a audio voiceover when a sale is made. So it adds even more scarcity as more sales are made. So how do you create one of these? It's step by step easy within DealCount. Let's jump into the dashboard and start from scratch. So here I am in the dashboard. We've got a number of demo campaigns all set up here that we can check out at any time. However, let's go through the process from start to finish so you can understand how to create it with DealCount. So I'm going to go create from template. This is probably the easiest way because you can visually see what your DealCount box is going to look like. As you can see, it's got an option for your logo. You can edit the text to say what's left or what's scarcity. It could be a discount, it could be bonuses, whatever. A whole bunch of templates to choose from, a whole bunch of different styles to choose from as well. So we can choose any one of these. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this one here. This one looks nice and easy, nice and square. We'll go create from template. So here it is here. It's edited in my campaigns. So I go in and edit this. What I can do is I'm going to name this one. So I'm going to call this the Sam Demo Live. Okay, and then the site URL is I can put in my site details. So if I have my website, I could go samspreviews.com. Okay, just so it knows where to put it. Overlay position. We can choose where we want it to be: bottom left, bottom right, top left. So we'll go bottom right. We can have the delay set so it pops up at a certain time. So we can choose if we want it to pop up instantly or after 5 seconds or, as far in the future as we want. So let's just keep it at 5 for this. You can have the option to have the close button on it, or you can get rid of that so you can permanently show it as well. Okay. You can customize the height, the width to have it take over as much of the page as you want. And you can also change out the cornering and things like that as well by editing it. Now, the cool thing about this is you can have a live preview of what the box looks like at any time. So if I want to, I just click on preview and it's going to pop in and we can see what it looks like. So it says, we haven't added a logo or anything yet, only 100 left, 4 days, 23 hours, all that sort of stuff. So what you can do is if you are playing around with these radiuses and things, you can just keep clicking the live preview and just see how it all changes. Okay, now the design settings, you can change the background color if you want to have a background color, or since this one's got an image, we're going to leave the image. The border color, we can do whatever we want. We can put a border on it, we can make the border as thick as we want, all these sorts of things. We can option where we want the borders: top left, bottom right. Background color, because I've built this from a template, it's got the nice the shaded background color that I wanted. What you can do is you can, at any point, you can just upload your own image right from your own computer, whatever you want to be able to customize your background image. The content settings. Content displayed, is it static or is it dynamic? The whole point of this is like dynamic, so as sales are made, it changes. So what we can say is there's only 50 bonuses or 20 bonuses or whatever we want, and then when the limit is hit, you can either do nothing and keep it showing 0, or you can hide the banner, make sure it doesn't show once it hits the limit, or you can redirect it to another URL if you have somewhere where you want to put your customers. The notification, so it does a speech notification as well. So it'll say 50 bonuses available, hurry, only 49 left. So with this, you can, they have all the tags you can use, like third, gone, token, so you can edit and customize the speech field if you do wish so. You also have a whole bunch of different accents, different languages in which all this could be said as well. So, and you can preview it. So let's just take a listen.
Total bonuses available. Hurry, only left.
So the total and the left and the hashtags would say 100 bonuses available, hurry, only 49 left. So you can go through and choose a voice prompt as you want as well. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Logo, you'd probably want to put your own company logo in or your own call to action or whatever. So I can do that right here. I might use this black one this time. and I like from the tests I've done, it shows up nice and square. So if I click on preview,
50 bonuses available. Hurry, only 49 left.
so there we go. So it's an example of what it would look like on my site. I've got a little bit of a border around it as well, so we can see in real time what it looks like. Payment processor settings. Now, so to do the countdown for you, it integrates seamlessly with JVZoo and Pay Kickstart. All you have to do is put the IPN in the call field within that, and there is training available on the left on how to do that too. If you use AXA, ThriveCard, or JV Share, you just paste in your API key and it'll sync up perfectly fine as well within this. The countdown settings. Now, we can easily choose a time and a date. So if we want to go Friday 6 p.m. Was when it starts, or or even just now, whenever we want it. If it's like during a launch period, and then when do we want it to count down to? We can choose a time as well, and that'll change the countdown time for it as well. You can edit the way it all displays days, hours, minutes, seconds. When the countdown reaches 0, you can have it hide the countdown. You can have it show a message or redirect to a URL as well. Now, if you want to do retargeting and things like that with this, you can put your coding into these sorts of things, or your own styling, your own whatever you need to put in for header and body. You can put these all in as well. Now, once you've done this, we can easily click Save Changes, click Preview. There it is there. We're happy with our box, how it displays. The countdown's changed
50
a little bit
bonuses
less.
available. Hurry, only 50 left.
So there we go. It's counted it down. So what I'm going to do is, now that I've done all these changes, I've saved it. All I do is go back over to the dashboard. And now to put this into my website, or if I want to put it into JVZoo, I get the IPN code, and that will copy that, or I can go into embed. I can overlay my embed code. I can download the embed file, all these sorts of things to be able to put it into my website as well. You can also see you can copy the link to it as well, copy the IPN URL to the clipboard and everything as well, making it easy to integrate too. So that is how easy it is to be able to create one of these pop-up boxes to go on your website to help increase sales and conversions. I encourage you to check it out in detail down below on the bonus page. Make sure you get in during the early bird period. A whole bunch of cool bonuses available with DealCount today. Get it at the best price possible, and no doubt this will help increase sales, increase conversions on your own bonus pages, sales pages, wherever you see fit for these sorts of boxes. This is Sam, and it's been a pleasure to show you through this today.